Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Unicorn Tarot Portal. I'm Nikki. I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys. So let me first introduce myself to you. I'm an astrologer, a tarot reader, and I do energy works. I also perform ceremonies such as candle readings to help connect with deeper spiritual energies. In addition to this channel also, I have another YouTube channel which is also all about tarot readings and astrology, but it's in Persian language. As you can see, I'm not a native English speaker, so if you are someone who speaks Persian, feel free to check that channel out. I'll put the link below in the description box, okay? But here on this channel, I'm dedicated into helping you to navigate life's mysteries through tarot readings, astrology insights, and spiritual tools, okay? Each day, I'll be sharing detailed tarot readings to offer more clarity, more guidance on your work life, on your love life, on your spiritual life, on all aspects of your life generally. Everything related to family, friends, foes, or folks, whatever. So there would be astrology tips, cosmic forecasts to align with the universe, and also some spiritual advices to help you connect more with your intuition and manifest your goals. My goal actually is to empower you, okay, into embracing your uniqueness, trusting your intuition, walking into your own path with confidence and clarity, actually. If this resonates with you, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my updates. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know what you're most excited about on this journey, or just say hi, or just tell me which kind of videos you are most eager to see. And stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Mwah.